Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Bakemas Day 4. And I'm super excited about this video because, I'm from Texas and you know how they always say everything's better in Texas? Well, that also includes our cookies, and so I'm going to be making some Cowboy cookies for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the things you will need to make these Cowboy cookies is some flour, and in this small container I have baking soda, baking powder, and salt with 1 stick of room temperature butter, some oil, some brown sugar, some white sugar, 2 room temperature eggs, some oats, and some chocolate chips. And I'm going to be listing all of the more detailed information such as the measurements down below in the description, so check that out. But let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is whisk all of our dry ingredients. So we are going to take our flour and our container that has the baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and just sift that together. Okay, and now we're just going to whisk this together, make sure it's all nice, well, and incorporated together. And we're just going to set this to the side. Okay, so now that we got our dry ingredients all set, now we're going to cream our butter with our oil, with our sugar, both of them, the white and the brown. Okay, and now we are going to cream this all together till it's nice, light, and fluffy. Okay, so I went ahead and scraped down these sides of my bowl, that way everything's nice, well incorporated together. Next, we're going to add our eggs, just one at a time. Okay, now that all of our wet ingredients are mixed together, now we're going to add our dry mixture, just a little bit at a time till it's all well incorporated together. Okay, so our dry mixture has been added and it's all well mixed. You just want to scrape down the sides of the bowl again. Make sure it's nice, well incorporated at the very bottom, because sometimes the attachment doesn't get to it. So you just want to make sure it's all well blended together. Okay, this looks good. And next we are going to add our oats. And give that a good mix. And you just want to be gentle with it. You don't want to be too rough, just kind of like fold it in. Okay, and once that's mixed well together, now we're going to add our chocolate chips. Because what is a good cookie without chocolate chips, am I right? And give that another good mix. Again, you just want to be gentle, just kind of fold it in. Okay, so we have our dough all ready to go. I really like to chill my dough before baking them just because they're easier to work with. And so I'm going to put some plastic wrap over this and let it chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, our cookie dough has chilled and I just used a big scoop like this and I just put them on a baking sheet. And so now we're going to pop this in the preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes or until light golden brown. Okay, so my cookies have come out of the oven. I gave them plenty of time to cool down and I just put them on this little plate. But oh my gosh, guys, my kitchen smells amazing and yours will too once you decide to make these. But look at how big these cookies are, and you can see all of the amazing detail. You can see the oats and the chocolate chips, and you can see how thick they are. These are absolutely amazing and I highly recommend that you make them. But I really hope you enjoyed this video because I, as always, enjoy making it for you. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell, because tomorrow is Bakemas Day 5 and you definitely don't want to miss that, so stay tuned. But until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye. Now I'm going to eat the cookie.